Hello everyone. Shopify offers a wide range of apps designed to help you manage and grow your online store. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to find the right ones, especially if you are targeting the Middle Eastern market. In this video, we will review the best apps that can make a significant difference for your business. App 1, Klaviyo. First up, we have Klaviyo, a top-rated app for email marketing and CRM. Klaviyo helps you create personalized email campaign, automate abandoned cart emails, and segment your customer base. In the Middle East, where personalized communication is key to building relationships, Klaviyo can help you stay connected with your customers and boost engagement. With Klaviyo, you can ensure that your customer receive the right message at the right time, helping you to drive repeat business and build customer loyalty. App 2, Super Lemon. Next we have Super Lemon, an app that integrates WhatsApp live chat directly into your Shopify store. WhatsApp is incredibly popular in the Middle East, and providing real-time support through this platform can significantly enhance customer satisfaction. Super Lemon allows you to handle customer queries in real time, keeping them engaged on your site and increasing your chance of making a sale. App 3, Judge.me. Building trust is crucial, and Judge.me help you do that by collecting and display product reviews. This app allows customers to leave photos and video reviews, which are particularly influential in the Middle East, where customers often rely on peer feedback. With Judge.me, you can showcase the quality of your product through genuine customer feedback, helping to build credibility and encourage more purchases. App 4, Smile.io. Last but not least, we have Smile.io, an app that allows you to create customized loyalty programs. In the Middle East, where customer retention is key, offering rewards for repeat purchases can turn first-time buyers into long-term customers. With Smile.io, you can easily create a program that rewards your customers for their loyalty, encouraging them to return to your store again and again. And there you have it, 4 essential Shopify apps that can help your Middle Eastern e-commerce store thrive. Each of these apps is designed to meet the unique needs of businesses in this region, from personalized communication to customer loyalty. If you're looking to take your Shopify store to the next level, give these apps a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you need any help with your Shopify store, TechSpace by MAQ Computers is here to assist you. Click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. Let's work together to make your e-commerce business a success.